In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to create a custom shape webcam in OBS Studio. So as you can see, I added a dummy webcam here. Now I will apply custom shape to this webcam. First of all, to create custom shape for webcam, go to your Photoshop. In Photoshop, click on File, select New, and here I'm selecting width 1280 pixel and height 1280. And background content, select transparent and just click on create. And then here I'm clicking and holding on this edit toolbar, and here you have to find out this custom shape. So I'm long pressing on this custom shape and selecting this polygonal shape tool, and then here make sure to select shape and click on this fill color, select white color. Now all you have to need, go ahead and draw your custom shape just like this. Once your shape successfully created, now press Ctrl S and click on this type drop down and select PNG and just save the custom shape. Make sure your shape fill color is white color and outside color is transparent. Okay, once the shape successfully saved, go to your OBS Studio, select your webcam source and click on filter. Here under effect filters, click on this plus icon, select image mask blend, and here click on this type drop down, select alpha mask alpha channel, click on browse, and from your PC select the custom shape that was just created using Photoshop, and then click on close. And here as you can see, I've successfully added a custom shape to my webcam. Now you can go ahead and resize the webcam just like this. I'm creating another shape, so I'm just pressing Ctrl Z, and now this time I'm selecting this, I'm clicking on this custom shape tool and clicking here, and for example this time I'm selecting this rounded rectangle tool and just drawing the shape just like this and fill color white. Now pressing Ctrl S to save and selecting format PNG and renaming the file, saving the file. Going back to my OBS, selecting my webcam, clicking on filters, double clicking on this image mask blend, and here clicking on browse, selecting my new shape, and as you can see, the shape successfully applied. So that's how you can actually create custom shape for our OBS webcam.